त्यानंतर सेकंड पॉईंट जो आहे तो आहे रेस्पिरेशन इन ॲनिमल्स. की दोन टाईपचे ॲनिमल आहेत. फर्स्ट आहे तो युनिसेल्युलर ॲनिमल्स. युनिसेल्युलर ॲनिमल्स the exchange of gases or oxygen and carbon dioxide. Gases take place across the cell membrane. In unicellular animals, gases exchanging or the diffusion, a slow diffusion of gases in these cells, or in these animals. In unicellular animals, gases take place across the cell membrane. It is slow diffusion of gases in the cells. And in multicellular animals, a variety of respiratory surface are covered with thin and moist epithelial cell. Epithelial cells in these animals. The diffusion of gases occurs through the cells. In multicellular animals, variety of respiratory surface are covered with these thin and moist epithelial cells. Through these cells, diffusion of the gases occurs. Different animals and its different respiratory organs show in this chart. In table, respiratory organs and animals. Respiratory organs in animals. Name of animals: and respiratory organ. Respiratory organs. Sponges. First animal is sponges. In sponges, respiratory organ is lac respiratory organ. Second animal is jellyfish. In jellyfish, respiratory organ is body surface. Body surface. Third animal is flatworms. Flatworms shows through outer body surface. Body surface, respiration, some annelids. Some annelids shows outer body surface, respiration, some annelids shows through the gills, respiration, some arthropods shows gills through respiration. Class Pisces, fish shows gills through respiration. Insects, class insects shows respiratory organ, trachea. Trachea through respiration. Reptiles shows internal lungs. Lungs is the respiratory organ of reptiles. Aves shows respiratory organ, internal lungs. Mammals shows respiratory organ, internal lungs. And amphibian like frogs shows in water. Skin is respiratory organ, and on land shows lungs is respiratory organ, and in larva stage use the gills for respiration. Different animals shows different respiratory organs and used these respiratory organs for respiration.